Hello everyone, welcome to Leka Treats. My name is Benedicta and thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we'll be making this tasty and delicious kebab. All ingredients are listed in the description box below. So we'll need about 915 grams of meat. You can use any meat of choice. We need some suya powder, some oil, onion, garlic, ginger powder, and some Maggi cube, some bell pepper and onions, and of course our skewers. We'll begin by marinating our meat, which has already been cut, with our seasoning cube, ginger, garlic, and onion powder, and 1 tablespoon of suya powder. You can find the suya powder to buy in any African store. We rub the meat very well with our seasoning. Add about 1 tablespoon of oil and continue rubbing until everything is well incorporated. We'll cover the meat with a cling film and allow to marinate for at least an hour. So as we are marinating our meat, we'll be prepping our vegetables. We'll be using half of each color of bell pepper. For the onions, try to separate them after cutting them into large chunks. Next, we'll be putting our meat and vegetables on our skewers. You can also use metal skewers if that is what you have available. We'll start with our meat, add some onion, and then a bell pepper, and repeat the process. Feel free to add any vegetables of your choice. You can even add some pineapples and it will turn out perfect. Please subscribe to this channel for more food recipes if you've not done yet. Next, we'll be adding about 3 tablespoons of suya powder to about 5 tablespoons of oil. Mix it very well. And brush the meat with it. Ensure to coat the vegetables as well. We'll then coat our kebab in the suya powder. You can skip this step if you don't want to have too much suya on your meat. Next, we'll brush our rack with some oil to prevent our kebab from sticking. Place the kebab on the rack and grill in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 18 minutes. After 18 minutes, we'll be basting our kebab with the suya and oil mixture. Turn it over and baste the other side as well. This will then go back into the oven for another 15 to 18 minutes. And there we have it. Our tasty kebab is all done. The meat is tender as well. You can have this with rice or just enjoy it with some drinks. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Until I come your way in the next video, it's bye.